Let's be honest. Rick, who are you voting for
Who would I like to see, or
right
who
now?
do I think is going to get it?
Who would you like to see?
Shavkat Rachmanov. Shavkat
Interesting.
Rachmanov is the one that I would like to see.
Wow, I didn't expect
that.
that.
He poses the most difficult challenge. He's a fantastic striker. He's a fantastic grappler. We've seen him in dogfights. We've seen him have to tough it out. We've seen him compromised, have to grit it out against Ian Gary. He's done everything. He's undefeated. He's going to be as big, if not bigger, than Islam. He's the one that I think poses the biggest challenge. And so I would like to see Shavkat because I think he was the one who we were kind of like grooming as the future champion of this division all along until the injury part of it happened. Like, he was supposed to be the guy that probably slid into the spot and was the one that Islam would potentially be coming up to face. So for me, it's
Despite
Shavkat.
the fact that he hasn't fought since December of last year, he's coming off serious knee surgery. You feel like, okay,
He's the best fighter.
Does he have the best chance?
Yes, he has the best chance, and he's the best fighter. That is what I want to see against Islam Makhachev. I think he's going to have challenges at 170 in a way that he did not at 155. I don't think he had a peer at 155. I do maybe Armin as close as you could get, but I don't think he had peers at 155. I think at 70 a lot of these challenges are going to be very interesting because he does not have that size advantage that he had at 55. He is going to be facing guys that are similar size. Jack Della Maddalena is a like real 170-pound guy. Islam looked good against him, but I want to see that against the Shavkats of the world. Hell, even the Bilals, even the Michael Moraleses, who looks to be a middleweight. I think there's going to be challenges for Islam at 170. Although I expect him to pass many of those tests, he might not pass every test. So for me, it's Shavkat.
Your vote, GC.
I actually agree with Rick. I would love to see him go against Shavkat. I think he has the best chance of beating him, but just because of the injury and how long he's been out, I know that just, I don't see it being an option. I don't see Shavkat getting the next shot. So because of the massive win on Saturday night, I'll vote Michael Morales.
Pizzi?